Hello guys, do you know you can actually use your CapCut to create thumbnail? Of course, you all know what is called thumbnail. That first captivating picture you see on the front of your video once you are watching any video on YouTube. Okay, most especially is YouTube. You get why am I saying this? Some people will post good content, but they'll not even put thumbnail in the front of the video. That's what stopped so many people from watching that content. No matter the content is very captivating, no matter the content is very meaningful, some people will be called that front picture screw and pass that video. You understand? Now my major reason of doing this video is how to use your CapCut to create a thumbnail. Don't skip any part of this video if you are interested. You understand? And if you are watching this video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, my name is Joe.
You enter your CapCut, then click on new project, then click on photos. Let's use this one. Let's use this as the background. Add it. You understand? So here is it. Then you click on overlay. Then you click on the image you want to use in doing your doing your thumbnail. You click on this, then click on here, then you spread it. Then you go to this thing, remove background. Remove background. Here is it. Remove background. Then remove background. Can you see it? Look at it. Here is it. Then you arrange it. Can you see it? Then you click on your focus point. What do I mean your focus point? What these two fingers is pointing at. Then you go to add overlay. You click on first. This one. You click on it. Then you click on crop. You crop the picture. You trim it. Can you see it? You click on this. You draw it down here, this way. Once you click on this here, then you click on add overlay to add your other one. Then this is the end product of it. Then you click on add. Then you click on crop. You crop it. Then can you see it now? Then you put it here. Can you see it? So this is how to do your thumbnail. Then you add a red arrow to make it spicy. Okay, and add it, this red arrow. Then you add it. Then you do it like this. Can you see it? Make it smaller. Then shift it to this side. Can you see it? Then you click on it. Then you put a right up. Put it right up. You put it right up. Yeah. How to apply this effect. Then you click on here. No, let's see the one that too. This one is okay. I love this one. You click on it, then can you see it? Then you say okay. Then you save it. Can you see it? Let's save it now. It's as simple as this. Then go to your gallery. Then here is it. This is your thumbnail. Then you click on it. Then screenshot it. Your final. Listen. After you screenshot it, then you now use your phone to trim it. then you press done, save. Wow, you have successfully created your thumbnail. So this is your thumbnail. So can you see, as simple as that? Okay, so if this video be of help to you, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.